In today's video, we're gonna do a quick routine to lift your eyes and get that cat eye sexy look. Before you start, don't forget to use your moisturizer or your eye cream around your eyes. First exercise is to move the outer corners of your eyes. For that, you have to do this move for 10 times or 30 seconds. If you want to do it for 10 times, you have to count like this. 1, 2, 3, 9 and 10, and then start to massage and go slowly into your scalp. Slowly massage and vibrate like this. So while massaging the eye area, be so smooth on this area. Don't apply too much pressure, so your pressure should be light. For the next eye, five, 6, and 10. Massaging upwards and going from my temples upwards into my scalp. Okay, as you can see, even now they are a little bit lifted. Let's go to the next move, which is lifting the brows. So I'm gonna put my hands like this on my brows and then vibrate and move upwards. Do this for 10 times. My brows are so lifted. The next move, massage everything upwards like this for 30 seconds or 10 times. Okay, now the last one, massage upwards towards the scalp. Okay, see, I really love this lifting effect. It's just going to the sky. Let's go to the next one. Up, up, up. I'm massaging it outwards and upwards. And the last one, massage it outwards, go to your scalp. Okay, so what do you think? This is the result, guys. I'm gonna put my before picture here so you can see the difference. Don't forget to tell me what do you think about this routine and if it was helpful for you when you try it. And yeah, let me know and give me your feedback, guys. So this was for today's quick routine. Don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to my channel. See you next one. Bye.